If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for your Temu subscription, follow these straightforward steps to manage your settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the app. Look for the option that says Settings or Account Settings. Step 3. Find Subscription Management. Within the account settings, locate the section for subscriptions or manage subscriptions. This section will display your current subscriptions and their renewal status. Step 4. Select Auto Renewal option. Click on the subscription you wish to modify. Look for the Auto Renewal option, which may be labeled as Auto Renew or Renewal Settings. Step 5. Disable Auto Renewal. Toggle off the Auto Renewal option or select Cancel Subscription if that is available. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that your subscription will not renew automatically. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto-renewal of your Temu subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.